called Peepshi. This is something you can do with kids in your family for Easter. It's fairly simple. All you need are Rice Krispy treats, fruit by the foots, and of course the namesake Peeps. Of course, a knife, and optionally, if you want, you can use some type of green icing. All this is to simulate the wasabi in sushi. So here's how you do it. Simply take a pre-made Rice Krispie spray, or you can make it from scratch. You're going to cut it in half, just like that. Then we will get 2 peeps. And we have our Rice Krispy treat, so we have Rice Krispie treats, the peeps, of course the icing, and the fruit by the foot. This is to simulate the seaweed or the nori. So again, this part, the icing part, is optional, and you just want to put a little bit around, just so it kind of peeks out. When you place the peeps right on top, and then roll this out. We want to make sure we have enough, so I'm just gonna measure it out, and you can use as many as you want. These are very rich, so you don't need to have a lot, but it is a fun activity to make with your nieces or kids. All you do is simply place like this, wrap it around, should easily stick to each other, and we'll do it one more time, halfway. And have it stick to each other. If you want to, you could actually take the fruit by the foot and slice it in half. You can get more out of it, but I think this is good enough as it is. You can also use the bunnies, but really that's all there is to it. Super simple. Super simple. Again, these are very rich, so you're not going to want to eat more than 1 or 2, but if you have a plate out, if you have family over, they can enjoy 1 or 2 after dinner or whatever. The big part about this, again, is actually the act of making them with your kids, your grandkids, your nieces, your nephews. Stuff like that. It's a fun activity. Kids love it. Again, I used to make this with my niece when I lived out in Iowa. Just a quick, simple thing I wanted to make in time for Easter. I know it's late. I forgot Easter was coming up so fast. I probably should start putting these out sooner than the holiday. In fact, in the comments below, go ahead and should I make these holiday special videos come out before the holidays so you have the chance to get the stuff and have it for the holidays, or should I continue putting them out on the holiday itself? Put it down in the comments below, what you think. That's all for me today. I have to actually get ready for work soon. This should go out today, though, Easter. I want to wish you all a happy Easter. Hope you all had good times with your family, your loved ones, and you all have a great day. Bye.